Braille Olympics round 2. What do you guys think about skateboarding in the Olympics? Wow, just started off heated with a controversy in the comments. What events do you have planned for us today?
Timed SMS 7 is the very first event.
Timed SMS 7, wow.
Which is mini ramp.
So you guys just wanted to see me choke again?
Yes.
Got third last time, so that means I'm going third.
I got fourth because America.
Yeah!
So I decided to borrow this strap because it's good luck and I'm defending champion, so.
The second one we have is a race from the beginning to the end of the parking lot on a skateboard, yes.
Not running, nothing, no, okay.
That's the 100-meter race, even though we don't really know it's 100 meters. Third, we had the nose manual competition, the longest nose manual.
Where? Outside?
On flat, outside, yeah.
Cracks and rocks?
Is it just us three playing?
Troy, do you want to play?
Troy, you better get in on
Troy,
this.
get up in here.
Wait, who was here last time?
Was
Oh,
here last
Fetty.
And we have Troy representing Hawaii, even though it's a state.
Hawaii is a nation.
Hawaii is a nation, I'm sorry. I take
I'm
that
representing
back. For every
Montana.
Hawaiian I just offended, I apologize. I'm Guamanian, I'm an islander too, I love you. The final event is the most flat ground tray flips you can do in a row without messing up.
In a row?
Oh,
Yeah.
that's gonna be fun.
Look at his
I plan
face.
on missing
Huh?
3 in a row.
Oh, you have 3 attempts, yeah.
3 attempts?
Yeah,
Yeah,
so-
do we have to do that? Why do we just get 1 attempt? You didn't give me 3 attempts on the SMS1 trick.
Okay,
Oh,
you
starting it with
choked
the
okay.
salt!
All right. You started with the salt. You're the one that got upset, okay?
That's why. Okay,
right, so-
let's just do this before there's no more controversy. First,
Second,
third,
fourth.
fourth.
Yeah.
It's a serious advantage to go last. So, okay, you drop in, pump kick turn, rock to fakie. We're going out of order, just sorry. Then rock and roll, tail stall, frontside and backside 50-50. Stall, you don't have to grind. Frontside and backside 5-0, again, don't have to grind, whatever. Feeble, and then nose stall
and
revert.
nose stall revert.
Nose stall
Both.
and nose stall
Yeah.
revert.
Oh!
You are the mini ramp champ. Don't give me that. You're the best
Can
at
I
all
do it
of
on
us.
the bigger side
You
though?
can
Like,
do
doesn't
it
have to-
You can
wherever
do it
you
on
want.
whatever side you want. Dude, you are the most patriotic man I've ever seen.
I'm gonna win!
Okay, stop it! Stop! Stop!
I am Super America! I do what I want!
Okay, if you are not participating in this event at the moment, get off the mini ramp. Stand on the box. Carlos, I'm talking to you. Oh, you're first. Never mind. This is the very first event. Are you ready?
So as soon as he drops in, I'll start.
No stall, no stall, no stall, no stall. Boom. Time.
That was sickeningly good. That actually made me sick to my stomach.
Well done.
Hey, sorry, I like lost.
All right, what was that time? What was that time?
29-10.
29:10. All right, Troy, the pressure's on.
Dude, oh my god.
He can't do frontside 50-50 stall.
Well, I haven't yet. We'll see what happens.
What are you doing? Put your cape back on.
I'm not gonna skate with it!
Yeah, you are.
What
Why?
do you mean?
You're not gonna skate with it.
Alright, this time's for real. Alright, then a feeble.
Yep. Forgot the frontside 5-0 and frontside 50-50.
I didn't actually forget those.
Oh, you were
I was hoping you did.
Yeah. 5-0 and 50-50. Whoa. Give that to you. Alright. You got this. 5-0, first try.
Legs are cramping so bad.
Oh! If you roll away in the sketchiest way, we will give it to you.
Okay.
Yes! Yeah! Woo! Woo! Oh, that was amazing.
The Olympics.
How much time was that?
2 minutes and 16 seconds.
You know the order?
No, I don't need to know the order. Oh no! Wait, I already did that. Yeah, you did. Oh no!
5-0. Time! 39 on the dot.
Wow.
You actually did really well on that.
Yeah.
Nigel, you're up. Nigel is the only one to choose to do it on the bigger side.
easier. You ready? On the drop in?
On the drop in is when time starts.
I should have did that one.
What tricks does he have left?
I don't know. I think just that. Is it just that, right?
You do both 50-50s?
I'll do both 50-50 just in case.
Time!
45.
45-39.
Where are they gonna end?
The dumpster.
Like we gotta touch the dumpster, hit the dumpster, go past the dumpster.
No kicking the board. You start with your front foot on the board. Hey. Don't touch the board. All right, we're all lined up.
Yeah.
On your marks. Get set, go!
Photo finish? Okay, now I have to take a shower.
What are the results?
Nigel was clearly first. Nigel, Aaron, Carlos.
I think it was your angle was off because I was clearly first. It's
Can I
okay.
tell you how fun that looked?
If I get a silver, I'll be happy because last time I got bronze.
So there's 4 of us, so one of us don't get any medal, right?
Yes.
Oh. I like pulled my hip out of place.
Dude.
It hurts so bad
You
right
look
now.
so America. I swear you look like a bald eagle flying in the sky.
Majestic! Captain Black America!
Well, that was fun.
Longest nose manual. We're not sure if we want to do it in the Braille house or out here. I think I'd prefer it in the Braille house, but Troy, what would you prefer it?
I don't know, because I think we could do it beyond like the length of the Braille house. So maybe outside.
Rochambeau. If Troy wins, we go outside. If I win, we go inside.
Yeah.
Dang. Outside it is.
Outside it is.
So wait, we get 1 try, 3 tries. Who's running this Olympics?
All right, let's go 3 tries.
Okay, Carlos, you up first?
Oh yeah, let's have Carlos go first. It's a good idea, Gabe. Thanks.
I'm zoomed so far into your face right now. Look at this. Oh my God!
Come on. I think it's safe to say you've stopped.
Once both wheels, all right, there it is.
That was ridiculously long. He just stood there in place, nose manualing, not getting any further distance, but he was just like, look at how cool I am. So in the actual Olympics, they rotate through everybody. So like, let's say Carlos right now is in the gold medal position. So then Troy's gonna go, he might knock him out, but then he gets another chance to go and he knows how far he needs to go so he can really stress out about where that line is, right? And we're not sure if we're gonna do all 3 tries because Gabe says, it's too long.
Might do 2 tries.
Might do 2, we'll see how it goes. Here we go, Troy, here we go.
I hope I make it past that leaf. Okay, ready?
Yep. You chose outdoors, Troy.
Yeah, that's true. That's kind of where he bailed out.
I actually feel like I'm not gonna even make it as far as that. Troy made it really far. Almost a 10th of the way Carlos made it. Nose manual, not really my thing, but manual, I got you. Let's go.
Aaron wasn't even close to running out of speed
No, you
yet.
still had.
My legs just got tired.
That was good.
Yeah, it's all about the bearings, really.
You ready?
Yep.
Alright. I did pretty good, I think.
All right, Carlos, let's go big or go home. I'm ready when you are. Yeah, mark that.
Yeah, here. I think.
I think he won.
Okay, well at this point it's literally impossible to beat Carlos. So I'm not sure how this course is rigged. That was awesome.
Yes, Troy.
Man.
This is for my friend Danica in Canada. I'm sorry that I'm a failure. Alright, got flag! Cooperate! Ah! Alright, here we go. Oh, total failure. Total failure. Hey, but at least I beat Aaron one time. Just once!
So that's Carlos, Aaron, Nigel, Troy, right?
So we're just doing the 2 rounds.
Yep.
All right. Thank you, National Olympic Committee, for your support. So we gotta lay out some rules on this, and I can't just do the rules on my own.
You get a minute and a half and as many as you can do.
Yeah,
because
'cause-
if we don't have a time limit, this guy's gonna go forever.
One try, a full minute and a half, as many as you can go.
Yeah.
Only one try though. No,
Only one? No,
Yeah,
not
only
two
one,
tries?
not
Okay.
two. If you mess up, you keep going, but your time keeps going.
So
as well.
here's the real question though. Who's judging? Daniel, you're judging.
Carlos, you're up first.
Timer starts on the first pop.
That's it. 27? 27.
Nigel, I'm counting you on this one to beat Carlos.
Aren't you up?
No, I'm third. I'm
Oh,
third.
you're third? Troy, you're up.
Yeah, that's me.
Timer starts on the first pop.
But I'll give it a go. I wish it was nollie heel flips. How many more do I have to go to beat Carlos?
26.
All right, I got this. Can I land 2?
Three.
Okay. Oh man. This is serious. You should try that right after you watch this video.
I believe you, yeah.
Right after you watch this video, go do
Is that time?
tray flips for a minute and a half.
Huh? That's time. You got 3. You're only 24 off. You did good.
You got
Almost
3?
got there, yeah?
Dude, you crushed it. I'm so glad it's you and not Fetty. No
Dude,
offense.
oh my gosh.
Eddie actually is good at this. I've made
Yeah.
him do this before.
I know.
You can do them just back and forth.
I know. That's why I know at least I'm gonna beat 3.
The next Olympics, we're doing switch heel flips.
Yeah, actually, that's a good idea. We should do a trick that nobody can do. Trade double flip revert.
There we go.
Oh, Aaron, you're up.
Let me get my stretches on. I feel like Carlos is just unbeatable. What's my time? 30 seconds? Woo. Wow.
I counted 23. I don't know what you got.
Wow. I'm exhausted. I need to stretch. I need to lay down.
All right, Nigel starts on the pop.
I'm so nervous. Starting off terrible. Choking! I'm so tired already. Oh.
Get two more. Two more.
3 seconds. 2, 1.
Yeah!
16.
No ties. No ties. Wow, I was really hoping for a good game of skate at the end to a tiebreaker, but hey, oh well, huh?
Time for the medal ceremony.
Nigel, Aaron, and Carlos. Come on over here. Troy, you can stand over here as well. In third place, we have Nigel Ryan Jones.
Ryan? I had no idea.
Give him a round. You go, Ryan.
Let's see if Gabe gets my middle name.
In second place, we have Aaron Jacob Kyro.
Oh!
And third place, we have Craylon Carlos Pastrana Lastra.
Oh, he doesn't even know my middle name.
I don't know. Your middle name.
Guess what?
Just let it roll.
Oh, did I say for third place for him?
No, you said third place for him.
Oh,
You
in
said
first place for Carlos. Sorry, he got the gold medal,
First place
silver,
for
bronze.
Carlos.
Yeah, my middle name is Gabriel, by the way, so you should know.
No.
Wait, really?
What?
For real?
It's Gabe, yes.
That's incredible.
Technically, I'm already above Carlos.
I was
Yeah,
just
you might
gonna
have to
say,
step
I'm
up a
almost
level.
taller than you.
There we go.
Well done to our Olympians. Troy, you get the appreciation.
Yeah.
Bring it in. Bring it in.
Someone had to fill in for Fetty.
Thank you, 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 each and every one of you guys. You guys are the best. If you guys have an idea for the next Skate Olympics, leave it in that comments below. So if you guys want to see this again, leave it in the comments below. Give this a like, give it a share. I think this would be a really fun series, and I think we haven't even scraped the bottom of the barrel on what we could do off the Braille drop for Skate Olympics. Click right here, pole vault, up the
Skate
Braille
vaults.
drop. I would watch that.
Champ.
So click right here to watch all the videos in this playlist. Click right here to learn to skate, because the whole reason we do all of this and wear these headbands is because we want to inspire you guys to pick up a skateboard, learn to skate, and that's what we want to do. So more skateboarders start to skateboard, and you guys all have fun like we have fun, right?
I had a blast.
First try. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below.